Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm transforming into the ultimate dark coquette in a dress to impress for the Halloween theme. So let's just watch how I get this hauntingly beautiful look and let's just get started. So first, let's start with the hairstyle. So I'm using this hair, combine it with this wavy hair and this bang. Now for the color, I'm using this dark brown color. And just head into the main section in here and put on this top. For the first review, I'm going to use this pattern right here. And for the rest, I'm combining between black and white like this. Then I'm going to put on this arm in black combined with the socks. Get high strip socks and change the color to all black like this. And for the top, I'm also going to use this right here and use the same pattern. Let's put on the Mary Jane shoes in white color. This section, and I'm going to put on this accessory on the head in white color, and let me grab this necklace in here, change all the color to black, and then I'm going to also put on this on the neck, toggle it into old in black color. Okay, now just head into the dressing room. Put on this dress and toggle it into skirt. First color black and the rest is the patterns. Click on the code items, put on the eyelashes. I'm going to also use this bag to lead into crossbody. First color, the pattern, and the second one white, next one black. Also this star on the head, and I'm going to change the color to black and white. This, and let's put on also, I'm going to also add this teddy bear to go it into number 3. Change the color to white and black. Okay, so if you're done in here, let's go back to the code item tabs and put on this top. But here I'm going to only use the sleeves. Change the color to black and the ribbon, make it white. Now last item, you can put on this skirt and change the color to black. And now this is the final look for a dark coquette outfits in DTI. You can use this for Halloween theme in the next run. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.